Has technology been a force for good or a tool for harm? This question, as old as technology itself, invites us to explore the intricate dance between innovation and its impacts on society. Throughout history, technological advancements have promised to reshape the world. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century democratized knowledge, previously the privilege of the elite. Fast forward to the 20th century, the internet revolutionized how information is shared, connecting billions across the globe in seconds. Each of these innovations brought profound societal benefits, tackling issues like literacy and global communication. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The Industrial Revolution, while boosting economic productivity and creating jobs, also led to severe urban overcrowding and environmental degradation. Similarly, the digital age, while connecting people, has also introduced complex challenges such as digital privacy concerns and a widening digital divide. Let's consider the impact of technology on poverty. Mobile banking technology in Africa, for instance, has transformed economies, enabling people in remote areas to access financial services for the first time. Yet, on the flip side, automation and robotics are replacing traditional jobs, leaving those without digital skills at risk of greater economic disparity. Crime and technology also share a complex relationship. Surveillance technologies have made it easier to monitor and reduce crime rates, yet they raise serious ethical questions about surveillance and personal freedoms. Furthermore, the internet has given rise to new forms of criminal activities such as cybercrime, which poses new challenges for law enforcement and security. World hunger is another area where technology aims to make a significant impact. Innovations in agricultural technology such as genetically modified crops and advanced irrigation systems have dramatically increased food production and efficiency. However, access to these technologies is not universal, and there is ongoing debate about the long-term impacts of genetically modified organisms on health and the environment. As we process large amounts of data in today's digital age, the question arises, who benefits from this? While big data can enhance our understanding of complex issues and lead to better decision-making, it also powers targeted advertising, raising concerns about consumer manipulation and privacy. In conclusion, technology holds immense potential to address some of the world's most pressing issues, from poverty to crime to hunger. However, its benefits are not without costs. As we continue to advance technologically, it is crucial to ensure that these tools are used ethically and equitably. Reflect on this. How should we use technology in the future? Should it primarily serve humanity? Or is it inevitable that commercial and governmental interests prevail? How we answer these questions will shape the future of our society.